Hey everyone, here's our iteration planning meeting for the product marketing group in Digital Experience for April the 24th. I'm gonna hand it over to Tina and we'll kind of walk through our boards, kind of plan what our work for this iteration is going to be.
Thanks. I have, well, this is the end of our iteration and I have a short week this week. On my boards, I have the SMB marketing page update. SMB is the small business solutions page. Most of the work for that is done. I just really need to focus on it and refine the page a little bit and get some stakeholders to review it. I'm also working on a high priority landing page. Why choose GitLab? That should be done by today. I'll pass that over to Jess to take it over the finish line to do some last minute changes. And then I'm going to spend a big chunk of my time working on the solutions iteration planning issue. And I started a handover doc for the other team who will be taking care of all the solution stuff, just kind of outlining what we've been doing, what we should do, who the DRIs are for every different sections of the solutions pages. Yeah, and that's it for me. Who's next on the board here? Nathan, just go with you.
Oh, I should open up the board to see the order. I don't know who's after. I think it's Heavy on there. Yeah, I think the majority of this iteration is going to be on kind of figuring out this memory leak, kind of what's been going on. So I did a lot of work over the weekend to figure out what's going on, and I found 5 memory leaks. And so I'm going to resolve those, upgraded node to 18, and a bunch of other quality of life stuff, just so we don't run into this again, because it could be pretty damaging in the future if we're unable to build. And then on the side, I'll be working on migrating 2 of the customers' pages over, and then whatever else pops up this iteration. But I think it's Heavy next.
Thank you. Iteration, I have migrating customer pages. I have some tracking issues for a startup form and a YouTube video modal. And then whenever comes up on the pipeline, I think that's it for me. Pass it over to, I don't even know who's gone. Margaret, I guess.
Yep. Sorry, I didn't pull my board. So for the situation, I'm just gonna be working on a bug with the dev survey page for the anchor link. That is also tied up to one of the memory leaks Nathan found. So I'm just gonna copy some of the changes that I had for my I had an MR for optimizing the dev survey page, so that should fix the issue. I also have an MR in place for the feature industry customer page that's pending design review, and it should be ready to merge soon. And I also have a couple of customer pages to migrate to BE, and I think that's it for my iteration.
I think I'm next. So for me, I will continue with customer migrations, customer page migrations. I still have the world tour pages that should receive the final content tomorrow or today. So updating those and getting them ready to be merged. And yeah, I think I still have bandwidth, so if any of the new pages come, I can pick them up. And back to you, Justin.
Yep. And kind of to Mateo's point, yeah, there's a couple pages, high profile pages we want to try to get out this iteration. They make quick turns, so there's a little more bandwidth with some folks, so we can address those pages when they're ready to go. If you have bandwidth and you're still looking for things, there's always the customer pages, a whole bunch of those to work through, try to get as many of them out in the quarter as we can. And yeah, I think that should be it for the iteration.
Sorry, one more thing. Tina just pointed out in the comments, which is a good thing for our Why GitLab landing page. We're referencing 3 different case studies, HackerOne, Airbus, and Alteryx. So if possible, can we prioritize those for the migration?
Yes, I think 2 of them might be done already, or they're in review. So
HackerOne,
I'll double. Yeah. And I
Okay.
think Airbus, yeah, I'll double check those and make sure they are in whichever group works on them, but they get up this iteration as well.
Yeah, just if we can have that done before the landing page even gets to engineering, that'd be great. Thank you.
Yep. Thank you.